BMJ is a global healthcare knowledge provider with a vision of helping to create a healthier world. We share knowledge and expertise to improve experiences and outcomes. We are part of ARMIT Consortia and providing world leading medical and allied health research, reviews, news, and multimedia content from BMJ specialty journals. ARMID stands for Electronic Resources in Medicine. This is a consortium managed by National Medical Library, New Delhi. ARMID is an initiative of Directorate Journal of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. ARMID websites provide you an information on state-wise member institution in India. You can download a list of available journals from various publishers. Also, you can find information on publishers, agents, and see the contact details of their representatives. There are 5 publishers in ARMID consortium, namely British Medical Journal, Cambridge University Press, Lippincott Williams and Wilkins, Oxford University Press, and Wiley. Total journals available in ARMID consortia through these 5 publishers are 239. To search journals from BMJ, your journey begins at journals.bmj.com. Access to BMJ journals has been set up on your institutional IPs. You can also get in touch with your librarian to find out login details. Searching articles on BMJ journals are very easy. You can start your search either by keywords, or you can go directly to the journals and search within the journal itself. BMJ publishes more than 70 super specialty journals, so you can find the list of all journals under this tab, Journals. Here you can see all the journals are listed. So if you are interested in any specific journal, just visit that journal and you can perform a keyword search within that specific journal as well. Here we will start our search by keywords. So we will try to find out articles on cardiomyopathy. We have received more than 12,000 results on cardiomyopathy. If you want to rearrange the results as per your preference, you can do it by oldest, newest first, and first page. So I'm setting the search results as per the newest first. So I would be able to see the most recent articles. As we have more than 12,000 results here, it's very difficult to find out the most relevant article as per our choice, because it's not possible to open 12,000 articles and to find it out from there. So we have an advanced search option which you can utilize to get a specific results. There are many filters available on advanced search, like you can limit your results from the date range. You can set up a year and month. Like BMJ is the only publishers who provide you access from day 1, volume 1, issue 1. Like our journal, The BMJ has started in 1840. So you're getting full text access from 1840 till date. So you can limit your results as per the dates. You can also select journals. Right now in this setting, it will provide you results from all the journals from BMJ. But if you want to search articles from any specific journals, you can select those journals from the list. So I will keep it like all journals. If you know the year, volume, issue and page number of an article, you can directly put all these details here, and that specific article will be open and you can download it into PDF. You can also limit your results by author's name or the keywords in any specific section of the article. So if, for example, if I want to search articles on treatment of cardiomyopathy, then if I choose any, then it will suggest me the articles which can have treatment or can have cardiomyopathy in the title. It's not necessary that a treatment and cardiomyopathy word should appear in title, because I'm choosing any. But when I choose all, then all these 3 words, treatment of and cardiomyopathy, should appear in title, but it could be anywhere in the title. But when I choose phrase, then it means treatment of cardiomyopathy should appear in title, but they should be together. The same principle applies for abstract or title, full text, or abstract or title or bibliography. So for an example, if I search treatment of cardiomyopathy under full text or abstract or title and I use phrase, then it will suggest me only those articles in which treatment of cardiomyopathy is appearing together anywhere in the article, because we are using full text or abstract or title. So once I submit it, we have received 45 results which are more specific, and let's open one article and see how it appears. So on the left hand side, we have few tabs which I'm going to explain very quickly. Like article information gives you information about the article, where like in which you can find the details about authors, their affiliations. In citation tools, you can download the citation of the article through these citation manager tools. Under share, you can share this article with your fellow colleagues within the institution and outside the institution. Coming back to article text, you can download this article into PDF by using this tab. Go back to the home page. So now what we have seen is how to perform a keyword search using an advanced search option. Now we'll go specifically directly to the journal and see what are the features available there. So for an example, if I want to open a journal for say something on ophthalmology or gastroenterology, so we have this sign indicates open access journals, for which you have also available full text, but along with it, if I want to see British Journal of Ophthalmology. So now on the journal, British Journal of Ophthalmology, I can perform a keyword search directly within this journal only. Earlier we have done a search in all the journals from BMJ when we were searching for cardiomyopathy. So like here in this, you can see archival content as well. So as I mentioned that BMJ provides you access from day 1, volume 1, issue 1. So this was started in 1917. So you are getting full text from 1917 till date. If you want to search within this journal, just go to the search bar and type in your keyword. Like for an example, I'm searching for cataract. So I just put the keyword and hit the search button. So we have received 9,346 results for term cataract. I'm going to open one article. Let's say this one. So this is the article which has a similar layout what we have seen earlier. So if you find any images on an article, you can download those images directly into PowerPoint by using these tabs. So it's quite easy to browse in BMJ journals. Going back to the home page, if you are interested in publishing your research in BMJ journals, we have a specific sections for authors with the guidelines which will help early career researchers and author to publish with BMJ journals. So this is called as BMJ Author Hub, where you will find information on what to do before you submit a manuscript or an article to a journal, how to write, what are the steps required after submission, how to promote your research, what are various policies, open access. You come to know how to review the manuscripts and specific guidelines for early career researchers. If you have any queries regarding BMJ journals or any other resources from BMJ, feel free to reach out to us at rkumar@bmj.com, or you can also call us at 98737 15947. Thank you so much for listening to this video.